Hey everybody! So I'm here to show you how to fix, if you've already been working in your course shell, how to fix these broken links. It's been trial and error. We found some, we fixed some, and then they're fine, and it's been a fun ride. But we are all here to learn and be better before we have students in a week. So we got this. It's all good. Okay, first off, sorry if you got a lovely Meredith Huskies uh, logo. I very much started doing some edits for my school specifically. Didn't realize that I had done that. So the first thing I'm going to do is take that out for y'all. Okay, so deleted that for all of those individuals that are not a Husky fan. So I'm working, sorry, let me back up. I'm working in the 8th grade shell. I'm in assignments right now. You can find that on your left-hand side right here. And I went to the warm-up and cool-down activities because I've been getting lots of emails, which is fine, about this. So what you're going to want to do is go to that edit, hit that edit button at the top. So again, edit is it was way up here. I've already hit edit. And then come down here and we are just going to take it out. So we are just going to highlight and we are just going to say bye-bye. And you just take it out. Now, the great thing is everyone has access to these now. And so now when I go to this, I'm going to go to course documents. If you do user documents, according to Canvas protocol, you will be able to see it, students will not. So make sure you're in course documents. I have nothing in my user documents. Sorry, I hit the wrong one. So I go to course documents. And within the course documents, you should be able to find, you see right here, your physical activity log. Now, if you want this to show up for the students to see at the bottom for a preview, you need to come over here to link options. So when I toggled over this link, I hit link options. I go over to automatically open an inline preview and I select done. I'm then going to save. Oh, also, just so everyone is aware, I'm gonna unclick that. You get to set the due dates. Okay. So remember that. You get to do that because once you do that, it will show up on students' to-do list as well. And when they submit, it shows up on our to grade list. Hit save. And then you cross your fingers as you come down. So we already see that the lovely Meredith logo is gone. I come down. And then the log preview is starting to load. Right here. So here's the log. All right. And then if I go, so I'm going to go over here to, nope, not course. I apologize, but that's okay. We can come here anyways. I'm going to go back into the landing page. I hope I'm saying that right. I call this the landing page. It might not. Home page. I think it's home page. But I'm going to go to student view. So over here on my right hand of my screen, you have the glasses. It says student view. And I'm going to go see if it was fixed. So you can see here, they have a to-do list. So right here, things that have due dates A list is created from that. So we worked on the warm-up and cool-down activities, changing that. Click there. All right, the Meredith logo is gone for you all. You are welcome. Though I think it would be funny. And then you can see here that the log comes up. Now, this one is not the fun font one, but that is okay. I don't think those would work anyways on other people's computers. I just have some funky fonts on mine. So that comes up. They do not need to log in. Okay, so then from this, what can happen is they're going to hit the physical activity log. It will come down here. You can see I've done this a couple of times. They will come into Word. See, you see the one that has the fun right here. There we go. And then we're going to enable editing if I was a student. And I'd want to make sure that when I saved this, I want to save it onto my OneDrive. So they're going to want to do that. And what we want to instruct our students to do as well is to put their name. So we want them to put their name when they save it, right there. So when they share it with us, up here, and they go to share, that they are able, so they would type in our name, and I'm going to type in Tyler's. So Mr. Kober, you're going to get mine, and you're going to know it's mine because I put my name here, and so I will see that. So it's shared with the teacher, and so we are able to view it so we can see their work. So that is one way that we are able to do this. So let me leave student view and kind of go through it again. I went over to assignments. I went and found the warm-up, cool-down activities. I went to edit assignment settings. And then remember, oh, I'm going to hit no. Sometimes you'll want to hit yes. In this case, just hit no. So here is where I had that Meredith logo that we took out. All right, and then scrolling down, so they have different options for the warm-ups, different options for cool down. I took away those physical activity logs here, and then I went up to course documents. I put it in, I toggled over, I hit option, link options, excuse me. I then made sure that this automatically open and inline preview was clicked. I clicked done. Now, here's the part right here, submission type, that needs to be changed. I forgot about this part, I apologize, but one step at a time, right? So submission type, right here, we want to go to online. They can do a file upload because we want to see that log that they have saved on their computer, and we want them to send it to us or share it with us. Okay? Unlimited attempts because we want them to be successful. That is the point of all of this. The due date is set for October 16th. I don't know if that's the end of the quarter. I'm very confused on the dates, but I would change this for my purposes a week prior to the end of the quarter. is when I would be checking to make sure these are done. So if I have some that are not submitted or not filled out, that I would be contacting those students to make sure they had plenty of time to do that. All right, so I'm going to hit save, always save. And then it should be fixed. So that's one way of fixing yours. You can go back and do that with those physical activity log links. I'm sorry that for some reason they're not working. They're being very finicky with that. We were just trying to do that Office 365, so the kids, it would just be a running thing in there. But we'll just take that out for now, and it's all good. So if you have any questions, review this recording or send out an email to myself, to STEMS, or shoot me a text. I put my number on our chat, so just send me a text. I'm usually up working at night after my kiddos go to bed, so if you're working then too, reach out. I'm here to help you. All right, have a good one. I hope this was beneficial to you.